Let's start the fun with kids like go.
A is for apple, red and round. B is for ball, it bounces on the ground. C is for cat, who purrs all day. D is for dog, who loves to play.
Paul, breathe, move to next set.
E is for elephant, big and gray. F is for fish, who swims all day. G is for giraffe, tall and lean. H is for hat, it keeps us clean.
Slower now, gentle hum.
I is for ice cream, cold and sweet. J is for jump on your feet. K is for kite, flying up so high. L is for lion, with a mighty cry. N is for met, know it in the night. N is for nest, tucked in tight. O is for owl, who says woo woo woo. P is for penguin, in a tuxedo suit too. Q is for queen. Q is for queen, with a royal crown. R is for rainbow coming down. S is for sun, shining so bright. T is for train chugging into the night. U is for umbrella, keeping dry. V is for violin, music in the sky. W is for whale, splashing in the sea. X is for Zalva, playing happily. Y is for yellow, bright like gold. Z is for zebra, brave and bold.